Hey everyone, my name is Pelle and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I wanted to take the time to show some love and support to some amazing small businesses I found on TikTok. I originally purchased the products and interviewed the sellers back in October, but then the chaos of 2020 decided to take my life by storm. Due to my obsession with do-it-yourself crafts and how mesmerizing the acrylic mold pour videos are, the algorithm quickly threw me in the small business side of TikTok. And let me just tell you, I am hooked. It's just so fascinating how these things are designed and made and how passionate these sellers are. I don't know the majority of these people, but I am so proud of each and every one of them. So today I have with me products from 2 different businesses. I originally had purchased from 3, but the 3rd package arrived on Halloween and someone unfortunately stole it from my doorstep, so I have no products to review, so there's that. But anyway, let's begin with the classic, stickers. This TikTok small business specializes in designing their own original stickers and was founded in October of 2020. At the time of my interview with them, their favorite product was a tie between their holographic mandala sticker and a Miranda Priestley That's All sticker. Typically, it takes them a few hours to draw the designs due to their keen eye to smooth lines and choosing the perfect colors for their product. At the time, their current sales goal was to reach 100 sales by the end of the year. Not only did they surpass that goal, but they doubled it. They reached a total of over 250 sales. This is absolutely amazing and I'm so proud of you. Their business is called Be Wild Stickers and it's based out of Toronto. Now it's time to dive in and finally open my package from them. So just to start off, I just wanted to point out this really adorable sticker they put on that says Happy Mail. I thought it was a really cute little touch. And now to see the stickers I got. I honestly don't remember what stickers I got. I know I was looking for the cutest ones that they had at the time, so I also remember that she puts little bonus ones in here too, so I'm excited. This first sticker is actually one of the artist's favorite stickers. It's her holographic mandala sticker, and I absolutely love the rainbow coloring and how beautifully intricate the line work is. The holographic effect really does make the sticker stand out. Next, you can see the Pineapple Mini and the Adventure Mini sticker. These both have a gorgeous multicolor effect. The Adventure sticker features a map of the world and says the word anywhere. In addition to that, I absolutely love this giant sunflower sticker and cannot wait to put it on my water bottle to brighten it up. In this sea turtle mini, you can tell that turtles are her favorite animal because this turtle is absolutely perfect. I love the blue color scheme. Also, she has a mini mandala sticker. This one is identical to the larger sticker and it's equally beautiful. The only difference is this one is not holographic. I absolutely adore these mini self-love stickers. This one is holographic and the handwriting is so gorgeous on them. In addition, they're the perfect size to fill in any blank space you may have on your water bottle. Another positive affirmation sticker is her You Got This sticker that has a very cute color scheme thrown on a tie-dye effect. One of my personal favorites is this Love Yourself sticker. It's a large reminder featuring some very cute flowers to show yourself some love. One sticker I wanted to give special attention to because it is my absolute favorite of all her designs is her pink wildflower sticker. I love it so much I kind of want to get it tattooed on my body. You can tell from her line work that a lot of time and care went into this beautiful floral arrangement and I'm so excited to add it to my laptop. I love it so much I bought 2 of them actually. The second business I found on TikTok handcrafts their own beauty and self-care products. At the time of my interview with them, their favorite products were called Grapesicle, Fruit Jelly, and Forbidden Love. I believe these are their lip glosses, but I'm gonna have to double check their website just to verify. Also, it takes them about 2 hours to make each product. This business is called Swervy Cosmetics and is owned by 2 passionate young ladies. Now, let's check out our goodies. Alright, well, so for the first time ever, my SD card actually got filled, so I had to take off the entire camera and put in a new one. So if the angle looks off, I apologize. But anyway, let's get back to reviewing this product. So they have their packaging. Oh, and there's a little thank you note. It says, "Thank you so much for ordering. I really hope you enjoyed all of it. Come back soon." This is really cute bubble wrap, by the way. We got some more festive fall leaves. See if this one will stay. And this says to shake it, so I'm gonna shake it before I show you guys. So this is the body shimmer that they told me to be careful about because it might leak in the bag. It did leak a little, but that's nothing to be worried about. She put it in a special little Ziploc so it wouldn't ruin anything else, which I really appreciate. This is the body shimmer. Try a little bit out. Ooh, it smells really good. I don't know what that scent is, but I really like it. From Swervy Cosmetics, I had purchased the Fall Bundle and a body shimmer. The Fall Bundle included a super soft red velvet scrunchie, 2 Jolly Ranchers, a bunch of festive fall leaves, 2 lip scrubs, and 3 gorgeous lip glosses. The first one is a gold top fruit jelly wand lip gloss. I absolutely adore the various tiny small strawberries and other little fruits in the packaging. Also, it's the perfect gloss with very light tinting. Next, I believe, is the gold top Forbidden Love wand gloss. This one leaves a beautiful red tint that is perfect for wearing on its own or touching up your lipstick. This last gloss is my personal favorite. It's a silver top shimmer away wand gloss that adds the ideal amount of sparkle to any makeup look. In addition, there are 2 lip scrubs included that are great for exfoliating your lips. Due to my allergies, the seller actually made a special batch using avocado oil instead of her usual coconut oil, and I'm very grateful she was willing to do that for me. The body shimmer adds a very slight shimmer effect in the sunlight, but unfortunately it didn't capture well on camera. If you have any questions or video suggestions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and like it as well. I will make sure to include the social media handles and the websites to all these small businesses in the description below, so please make sure to check them out and show them some love. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, be safe everyone. Bye!